Hi guys, this is Khan and you are watching EduCreative. Today we are going to play the game, not only play but we'll make this game as well in Scratch 2 offline editor in just 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. This is codeless system, Scratch. So first start the game. That what does it do? I'm going to start the game. So there is a cat. It jumps when the ball comes near to it, and as soon as it jumps, the score increases at the top. You can see the score here, and when it touches the ball, the game stops. So that is the game. So I have scored 5. I'm not very good at the game, so let's see. Uh, Basically, Scratch is a part of metric is syllabus as well. Last chapter number 7. So I'm covering the same thing here. So I will start from the beginning, how to download it, install it, and then make this game in quick tutorial. So first of all, you have to write here in Google Scratch download. The link will open like this, scratch.mit.edu. You can click on this, and the next page is going to open here. It will be like this. From here you can download the online editor, but we don't need the online editor. We need a Scratch offline editor. So what we'll do from here, if you want direct download, you can download from here, but we want offline editor, so we'll select this option here, older version, because this is a part of the syllabus as well. And first of all, you have to install Adobe Air from here, because this is the engine the Scratch is going to use to perform the graphics. And then from here, Windows and download. So these two files will be downloaded, and I downloaded these files as well. So first of all, you have to install this Adobe Air and then Scratch 461. And according to one of my students, it's very easy to install it. Just click OK, and then finish. So the same thing happens here, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so let's start our game. So how to make this game? So first, let me open a new file. I don't want to save it. Whenever I open the new file in this editor, I get this sprite. It is called sprite, an object, uh, and it is a cat. You can select any other object if you want from here, like you can select this Abby or anything else. So these are the objects will be working with, and like this, but we don't want this right now. So what I'll do, I will delete it. That's our cat, one of the sprites. I'll change the name to the cat from sprite to cat, and I can change from here. Means if I press I, so the name will come here. Next, I want to change the backdrop, so I will click here, select blue sky, and press OK. Okay, so I've got the backdrop now. What I want is when the game starts, our cat should be here. Okay, so the coordinates you can see it whenever I move the mouse, the coordinates switch with that same thing. So like you can see now, X and Y coordinates are changing. So what are these coordinates? For this I have made a tutorial like this one. Here you can see this is center point of the canvas. Here both the coordinate X and Y are 0 and 0. If you go towards right, X increases. If you go towards left, X decreases. And the same applies with the Y. On the top, Y increases, bottom, Y decreases. So you can understand with the help of this one. So the same happens here, X and Y, as soon as you scroll the mouse. So this is our first position. What I'm going to do now, I will use some scripts or functions. Like when I want my cat to be here when I start. So these are the coordinates. Current coordinates are these. So I am okay with that. So go to X and Y. If my game starts, the cat is here, so I can just double click it. So the script will run and start with this one. And I can start when I click this one. Means whenever we want to run the program, we click this flag, red green flag. So whenever it is pressed, your cat goes to the same place. Next, what I want this cat to jump. It will be like something like 10 or 100 pixels or points reduced in the y, and then plus again. So for the same thing, what I'm going to do, I will take repeat 10 times sorry and what I want it to repeat, the position of y I want to change from this to this, something like this. If I click it, it goes up, and I will make the duplicate of this one and put it here. Okay, not like this, but like this, attach with this one, and then I reduce it to -10 because I want to cat to come down. Okay, so when I press it, it happens like this. My initial position, I connect these two with them, so it will be my jumping pattern. But I want it to do it when I press the space. So what I want, when space key pressed, so then do this thing. So I will attach with this one. So now these two functions are connected. I'm going to increase the size of this one so that you can easily see it. Sorry. Now to the next object, and the next object is a ball. So I select a basketball from here, press OK, and now what I want to code with this one. So first of all, I will decrease the size of this one. The ball is too big for the cat, so it can't jump it. So I will make it small like this, and start the position from here. Means I want my ball to start from here. So I will drag the ball here and start from the go to 259 and 127. Means whatever the position is there, it will show here. Okay, so I want when the program starts, when we click this one, it will start from here, and then it will glide from here to that corner, means here. Okay, something like this. So I'm going to use the glide. So let's check it now. It is working, but it's too fast, so I will slow it down with the help of this one, and in place of 1 I am writing 2. So this gliding thing is done. So now cat is there. Let's see, cat is there, it can jump, and ball is there, but it is not repeating. So what I'm going to do, I will use a forever. Forever means it keep on running. Okay, after one and another. Okay, now I have to check only one more thing, that was the last one, that is the cat touching the ball or not. So I will drag it down, drag it on the side, and check it with the sensing. Run it until, repeat until sensing touching, select here, and then the whole thing here. And touching means basketball, if means repeat until basketball touches the cat, and then what happens, just stop all the things. So it will stop here. So now let's save it and then run it. Okay, as soon as it touches the ball, the game ends. So this is a game. You can add a score here, make a variable with the name of score, SCORE, and whenever the game starts, set it to 0, and whenever I put a jump here, I want the score to increase by 1. So change score by 1. So now our game is ready. You can check it here. Jump, score increased, jump, but I touched the ball, so game's end. Thank you much for watching this video.